Hey guys, this is Manish and I welcome you to first unboxing of year 2020, which is of Mivi Thunderbeats. In this video, I'm going to tell you about all the components which you are getting inside the box and the first impression about this Mivi Thunderbeats and its sound quality and how easily you can use it over your neck. So without wasting time, let's get started with the unboxing video. I will also leave the Mivi Thunderbeats description below in my video, so you can check that link and you can get a heavy discount, and more discounts are coming along your way. So do check the description below. I will also leave some special code which you can use it to get the extra discount on the Mivi website for this Mivi Thunderbeats. So these are Mivi Thunderbeats wireless earphones, which is of the Bluetooth 5.0. It's supposed the technology of Bluetooth 5.0. And behind the box, you're able to see lot of specification about this Bluetooth device. First one is that you're getting the HD stereo sound, loudness audio, superior solid bass, powerful drivers, play it on and on long battery, 7-hour playback time at 70% volume, sweat proof IPX4.0. So even if you are doing a lot of workout and wearing it, your headphones will be safe and won't be just destroyed with the sweat. Inorganic design, convenient locking system, magnetic locking system for extra convenience. So if you are running and don't want to use your Bluetooth headphones, you can simply plug it on with the help of the magnetic, which is on the back side. Noise cancellation and wireless 5.0, 1-year warranty, and that's the call number and the support system. And here it is all the specification more and the price about this Mivi Thunderbeats wireless headphones. So let's quickly unwrap it and see the components which you are getting inside the box. So as soon as you open up the box, you're able to see a welcome. Hello Mivian, we hope you enjoy your new Thunderbeats as much as we love designing it. 1-year warranty card. Please register for Mivi warranty coverage, which enables us to extend our best-in-class customer support for you. Registration is super easy. Click a photo of your invoice. If you have ordered from Amazon, you can get an invoice copy. WhatsApp the photo to this number. So this is the Mivi Thunderbeats, and let's quickly see what are other components inside the box. So these are more the fin cables which you are getting inside the box, along with the charging cable, which is normal a USB charging cable you are getting inside the box, and a manual. A super manual if you want to know how to pair it with your device, and you want to know that how you can easily add more fins or can change the fins to your device. And here are the Mivi Bluetooth speakers. I've already done the review of this Octave Bluetooth speaker, which is live on my channel. You can check that, and how to claim Mivi warranty, do's and don'ts, and micro USB charging point, and here's what's inside. And you are also getting a silicone gel, so this good thing, if you lost your silicone gel you can change it, and there are plenty of silicone gels and the fin cables which is provided along with Thunderbeats. And how you can escape, enable, all these specifications are there in this manual, which is again a detailed manual. You can check it after you buying out the Mivi Thunderbeats. So these are the Mivi Thunderbeats, and over here you can see these are the magnetic plates. You can simply plug it on and along your neck. So on the back side you're able to see a hook, so you can know what is the center point of this Mivi Thunderbeats. It is all of a normal plastic and not so hard plastic. It is very elegant. You can fold it by any way you want to keep it in your bag, into your pocket, and you still be able to use it without any sort of problem. So this is the Mivi Thunderbeats. Let's quickly pair it and show you that how easily you can pair it with your mobile phone. So to get it paired with your device, you need to press this middle button for almost a second until some lights glow over here. So you're able to see now the blue light is blinking and red lighting is blinking. Let me search on my device and scan. So there are plenty of already paired devices, available devices. So there's the Mivi T Beats. I'm pressing it and it's getting paired. So over here on the speaker also you are able to hear that it has now been paired. So quickly let's go to YouTube and play a vlog no copyright music. So let me just make you hear the sound of this Mivi Thunderbeats. So you're hearing the sound, it's very much clear and crisp, and the beats and the vocals are very much clear. So this is a great point from the Mivi Thunderbeats. And as the name says, that Mivi Thunderbeats, it means that beats is the main source of this Bluetooth headphones. So that's all the pairing and the unboxing and the first impression about Mivi Thunderbeats. Overall, the first impression seems to be very much great into this Mivi Thunderbeats. If you talk about the sound quality is very much great. Even I have gone to another room to try out, and still the Bluetooth connectivity is very much fine, and I can able to hear my music very much clear and into very much crisp format. If I talk about the other things, that how easily you can just plug it into your ear and then can listen to music. Even I tried to that and can shake my head like very much, and still the Mivi Thunderbeats is still be intact into my ear. And so if you're going for a heavy workout and running and doing gymming, the Mivi Thunderbeats is your first choice. If you want to try out with the wireless headphones. If I talk about the mode, battery backup, the battery backup seems to be very much okay. Just you need to charge it every other day so that you can able to play it back around 7 hours. But if you turn it around the volume around 90%, the battery seems to be lasting around 5 hours. So just a battery concern is there, but you can charge it, and within the 1 to 2 hours, the Mivi Thunderbeats can easily be charged and then can use it. So that's all from the first impression about this Mivi Thunderbeats. Let me use it for another couple of weeks so I can make a comparison video between my other Bluetooth headphones which I am using it with this Mivi Thunderbeats. So if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Manish, and I'll see you all in my next video.